In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic deposit Charles Schwab. We'll walk through the process on a computer using the Schwab website, and I'll share a few tips to help you set it up smoothly the first time. Automatic deposit at Schwab means money is moved from your external bank account into your Schwab account, like a brokerage or IRA, on a regular schedule you choose, such as weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. It's an easy way to stay consistent with saving and investing without having to remember to move cash each time. Start by going to the Schwab website and signing in to your account. Once you're in, look for the Move Money area. Under that, choose Transfers and Payments, and then select Online Transfers. This is where you'll set everything up. In the transfer form, you'll choose where the money is coming from and where it's going. For the From field, select your external bank account. If you've already linked it, it will appear in the list. If not, you'll need your bank's routing and account numbers to link it. Many banks use a quick verification, and in some cases, small test deposits may appear to confirm the connection. For the To field, pick the Schwab account you want to fund, your brokerage, IRA, or Schwab Bank checking account. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit on a regular basis. Think about what fits your budget and your goals. For frequency, you can choose weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly, with monthly being the most common. Pick a start date that aligns with your cash flow. If your payday is midweek, for example, choosing a date a day or two after can help ensure funds are available. Keep in mind that if your start date falls on a weekend or holiday, the transfer will typically process on the next business day. This setup creates a recurring ACH transfer, which is a standard, secure way to move money between banks. Before you finalize it, review all the details carefully. Account names, the direction of the transfer, amount, frequency, and start date. When everything looks right, submit or schedule the transfer. A few important notes. The first setup can take 1 to 3 business days to fully activate. You can edit or cancel your recurring transfer at any time from the same transfers area. And remember, this only moves cash into Schwab. It doesn't automatically buy stocks or ETFs. If you want investments to happen automatically, Schwab's Auto Invest applies to certain mutual funds only. Once confirmed, you'll see your scheduled transfer listed and you're all set.